ground board.
American 784, contact Freeport Tower 119.5.
119.5, American 74.
Miami Center, King Passenger Mike, Fontainebleau at Opelika, no ATIS here. We would like VFR departure eastbound to Freeport, flight following.
Unable, contact me for taxi.
Miami Center, Delta 5203 Heavy, requesting taxi to 8 right with Bravo board, ready to copy.
Too busy. American 234, Miami Center, you up.
Block.
American 234, you up.
Miami Center, good afternoon, Delta 5203 Heavy, requesting taxi to 8 right with Bravo board, ready to copy.
Exec said 230, you're taxiing the wrong way. Return to the ramp and then start your taxi again. You're going 8 right, 8 left.
King Passenger Mike, requesting taxi at Opelika.
Air 529 Juliet Mike, runway 9er left. Runway 9er left, taxi via Tango.
9er left via Tango, 529 Juliet.
Delta 5203, runway 8 right, taxi via Whiskey Mike.
Taxi Whiskey Mike to hold shore 8 right, Delta 5203 Heavy.
Miami Center, Gemini 112, ready to taxi at Miami.
Gemini 112, runway 9er left, runway 9er right, taxi Echo across runway 13.
9 right via Echo Cross 13, Gemini 112, thank you.
Delta 479, climb to 4,000.
Up to 4,000, Delta 479.
QBS 349, decision at the push Miami.
Push pilot's discretion. Simply 2694, 5 miles from Ward, turn left tank 130, maintain 3,000 until established cleared ILS, runway 10 left approach.
Miami Center, American 234, radio contact.
American 234, my center, roger.
Miami Center, JetBlue 2176, flight level 360 inbound border.
JetBlue 2176, Miami Center. You're still a little outside my airspace, and I'm going to be closing up in 5 minutes.
Miami Center, hello, JetBlue 1017 on the ground at Fort Lauderdale, requesting taxi 10 left.
JetBlue 1017, runway 10 left, taxi via Tango 5 Bravo.
10 left, Tango 5 Bravo, JetBlue 1017.
Good day, Miami Center, Bahamas 141 with 210 Tower.
Southwest 4904, turn left heading 040, that's going to maintain 2,600.
040 down to 2,000, Southwest 49.
Bahamas 141, my center, roger. South 479, turn left heading 260.
Left 260, that's 479er.
Good day, Miami, November 134 Q, Yankee 50 miles to the southeast of the Key West Airport, Flight 04.
Air 134 Kilo Yankee, I'm closing up. It's a stack of you over that. Like, if you're flying a group flight, you guys need to separate yourself better. I'm closing up, but you gotta do better if it's a group flight.
Yeah, I'm Q Yankee.
Just 320, just confirm, you guys keep closing up right now? Southwest 4904, you're 5 miles from Selman, turn left heading 040, maintain 2,000 until established cleared ILS, runway 1 left approach.
040 will maintain 2,000 until established ILS, cleared ILS, 01 left, Southwest 4904, thanks.
Miami Center, Gemini 112, ready for departure 9 west.
Gemini 112, fly runway heading runway 9er, right cliff takeoff.
Fly runway heading 9 right cliff takeoff, Gemini 112.
Saudi at 557, pursue Gandhi. Oh, you're direct heading now, thanks.
I'm already like 0.7 to Gandhi.
Saudi at 557, Clyde Fanning, file 250.
250, okay, 57.
06318 Delta, 5 miles from Selman, pursue Selman, direct, cross Selman, about 2,600, cleared ILS, runway 1 left approach.
Direct Selman, maintain 2,600, cleared ILS 1 left, 631 Delta.
Here, Passenger Mike, short 9 left, Opelika, ready for departure.
059 Julie Mike, runway 9er left, cliff takeoff.
Miami Center, Delta 5203 Heavy, holding short runway 8 right, ready for takeoff.
Exec jet 320 RNF to sea salt, runway 8 left, clear for takeoff.
RNF salt 8 left, clear to go, jet 320.
Miami Center, Delta 5203 Heavy, holding short runway 8 right, ready for takeoff.
This is Delta 5203, runway 8 right, line of flight. Craft departs to parallel priority arrival.
Line up runway 8 right, Delta Flight 203 Heavy.
JetBlue 1093, free change approved, good day.
Thank you, sir. Good day. Great job, man.
Thanks. American 1447 closing, free change approved, good day.
Yeah, American 1447.
Yeah, 868, I'm closing up, free change approved, good day.
Further advisory, thanks in 868.
American 234, I'm closing, free change approved, good day.
Over to Jacksonville Center.
Walker 4696, contact Jack Center 13592, good day.
3592, thank you.
Yeah, 300 minutes.
Delta 5203, I'll have you going in a sec. JetBlue 2694, runway 10 left short and clear to land. JetBlue Gemini 112, I'm closing up, free change approved, good day.
Free change approved, thank you, man, appreciate it.
Southwest 2839, I'm closing, free change approved. There's one departure going out now, it won't be a factor, and planned 10 left for parking.
Alright, plan 10 left for Southwest 2839. See you.
So yeah, Delta 5203, RNF to Sea Salt, runway 8 right, copy to go.
Clear for takeoff runway 8 right, Delta 5203 Heavy.
Southwest 318, closing up, free change approved. Good day, size flight Cancun.
Appreciate for Southwest 318, amazing patience.
Southwest 4904, contact Tampa. There's 6318 Delta, contact Tampa Tower 109.5.
19.5, thanks for the service, 631 Delta.
Delta 479, closing, frequency change approved. Good day.
And that is JetBlue 1017, short runway with 10 left, ready to go.
JetBlue 1017, traffic's on a 3-mile final, change to advisory frequency. Good day.
Over to you, Don. Have a good one. Thanks for the patience. 1017.
Here, Vatsim, Mike 3000 over the East Coast. They'll be changing the Unicon once they get out of the Bravo. Thanks for the great service. You did a great job. Have a drink on.
Thanks, 320 and Delta 5203, free change approved, safe flights. 205, contact Jack Center 13592, good day.
Contact Jax, contact 205 Super. Thank you for your ATC, appreciate it.
American 120, free change approved, good day.
Advisory, American 120, thanks.
1,000.
Yeah, AT Echo Mike, free change approved, good day.
Free change approved, thanks for the help. No, right to Mike.
Audio 557, free change approved, good day.
Free change approved. Joy, you're doing a 557, have a good day.
Pause 141, free change approved, good day. Air 6318 Delta, contact Tampa Tower 19.5. Central aircraft, my center, terminate control of airspace services 2258 Zulu aircraft should change advisory frequency at this time. My center is now closed. Thanks.
500.
Cancellation.
400.
Fort Lauderdale traffic, southwest 2839 on about a 30-mile final for runway 10 left.
200. Minimum 100. 50, 40, 30, 20. Retard 5.
Okay.